Hello WinExp, today we're going to talk about the Nintendo DSi, what is 10 years old now. So we're going to use it today because it's a 10 years anniversary. So yeah, it's really nostalgic, I think. Let's try it. I will give you some information about the Nintendo DSi. Nintendo DSi is a handheld that's found by Nintendo. Nintendo is a company in Japan in the game industry. The company is set up in 1889 by Fusajiro Yamauchi. The Nintendo DSi was first launched in Japan at November 1, 2008. 5 months later it is released in Australia at April 2, 2009. 1 day later in Europe at April 3, 2009, and 2 days later in America. The Nintendo DSi is of the 7th generation of the consoles, like the Wii and PlayStation 3, etc. Now let's talk about the technical specifications. The weight of the console is 240 grams. The storage is 256 megabytes, where you can expand with an SD card. The random access memory is 60 megabytes. The console contains 2 ARM architecture processors. The Nintendo DSi belongs to the Nintendo DS family. What means the predecessor is Nintendo DS Lite and the successor is Nintendo DSi XL. The Nintendo DSi is updated Nintendo DS Lite. The Nintendo DSi has 2 cameras at the front and the back with a resolution of 0.3 megapixel. Also the Nintendo DSi have a new redesigned menu with a camera, sound and shop application. Also they got the old one like the play, chat and options. The Nintendo DSi have support of an SD card where you can expand your storage. Also, the Nintendo DSi have support for internet, where you can run on applications like web browser and shop, where you can buy new applications. About the measurements, the Nintendo DSi is 12% thinner than the DS Lite. Nintendo removed the GBA slot. Actually, the battery life of the DSi is worse than the DS Lite, which have a difference of 5 hours. The screen of the Nintendo DSi is 70% bigger, and the Nintendo DSi is 4 times faster according to random access memory. In August 2009, Nintendo released the Flipnote Studio, which is an application where you can draw animations. The most popular games are New Super Mario Bros., Kirby, Mario Kart, Animal Crossing, Pokemon Black and White. Okay, hello, and we are on the seat on my desk. So I have the metal blue one. It's a refurbished one, so it is already used, but there are not many scratches on it. I also have my own Nintendo DSi, but I'm gonna pick it up. But that one is really broken. My original DSi, what I have for 10 years now, this one, and it's broken. Yeah, it's possible to start, but I can charge it. Yeah, I can charge it with a, and it will charge, and it still don't. So it doesn't work. Yeah, sometimes it works. I can turn it on, but the quality is so bad. So I bought a refurbished one, and it's the first use of this DSi. So I can show you how, and yeah, I can show you how it is. So everything is alright on this DSi. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. Let's see what's happened. As you can see, we enter the setup. Now let's choose our language, and that's English. Now we have to choose a country. Yeah, I'm from the Netherlands, so I'm Dutch. The date, today is it 2019, so it's 10 years later already. The time is like this, yeah. enter your username. Now I'm gonna choose for Yeah, I can't do Windows Expert because I don't have so much characters. So, and now I have to make a message. Videos about Windows is my slogan of my channel. So I'm gonna do that. Videos. Enter your birthday. My birthday is on 14 November. That is. Select your favorite color. Now my favorite color is, I think, blue. Blue because I also have a metal blue DSi. Initial setup complete. Okay, quit. Oh, with Nintendo DSi you can take photos. Yeah, I know. Oh, they will make a picture of me. Now, let's take. Have fun with photos using Nintendo DSi camera. Thank you. Let's first go to the system settings and explain you the application about how it works in Nintendo DSi. Now you have this. It's our brightness settings. Yeah, how bright your screen is. Internet, yeah, that's a good one because of some application you need internet for it. So I'm gonna fix internet. I don't know how you do that. I know it's really hard to connect with the internet, of my experience. It is successful, so I can have internet now. This is our language, country, system update. When you have an update, you can touch that, and format system. I knew I did that when I was 9 and I don't understand what the function is of this button, but I was really sad about it. We're going to the camera. Oh no, I don't want a tutorial. Okay, we're back and you see this is the main screen of the DSi camera application. We're going to camera. We're gonna take some cool photos. And you have some cool effects where you can add to your photo. Oh yeah, a mustache. Like this. When you take the photos, you can see it in the album. Oh no, not on the tutorial. But you can see what you have taken, which photos. This will be displayed for the homes of the menu because it is stickered by a star. Also, you have the calendar function that was really cool at the time because I think it was cool that time. So you can see what you're taking that day. But that's Nintendo DSi camera. The next application is Nintendo DSi sound. Let's record some. Hello. And you can save it, and you can edit it. You can high pitch it and low pitch it, and you can make it fast or slow. Also, you can reverse it, and here are some cool stuff, effects, and you can save it. Yeah, here you can. You need a SD card for it, but you can play music on it. And you can add some effects, the same as the 10 seconds recording stuff. It was also really cool when you play music. Now we're going to the Nintendo DSi shop. I know you can't go on it because it stopped in 2017, but I'm curious when I open it what will happen. But it takes some time. Oh yeah, you're unable to connect with to the server. So that means that the server is outdated. DS download play, that's app where you can play with together with another DSi. Picture chat, that's really cool because you can chat with other DSi, so you can say hi and I will display it on their screen. And it's very easy to spam. So I go back. Yes. Nintendo Transfer Tool, yeah, that's when the 3DS was released. You can transfer some application of DSi to the 3DS. This one I never hear or see about it. Maybe it's later added, but I think it's just a movie. The web browser, I knew that I used that at the time. It's just a browser, so you can see the weather or something like that. Let's do that. Okay, let's enter our app. We're going to MSN, and you see this square is actually this. And it still works, but the internet connection is not that fast. Okay, this is really impossible. What if I do this? Oh yes, finally. Now the browser works, and I think it's the old Google. I don't remember, but you can drag your screen and you can read what's on it. Flipnote Studio, that's an application that came later after the launch of the Nintendo DSi. Okay, we can create, let's create something that is fast, like a Windows logo. So this is my animation that I made in 1 minute. Now I'm gonna save it. Really cool. And you see something of it that are delivered with the application, like this. You can edit it, and I used to edit it so much. But this is Flipnote Studio. You can make small animations on it. And this is the Flipnote antenna where you can share it with your friends, and that was also really cool. And let's play a game. I'm gonna pick my favorite game. That is The Sims 2. Yeah, that's I think many people recognize it when the game card doesn't work. You have to blow in it. The Sims 2, when you have to save a hotel that's in the middle of the desert or something. And we're gonna load. It's one of my favorite games when I was young. Oh yeah, you see it. You're alive. It is really long ago when I last entered this. And this is where you can talk with other people and pick up peers. I don't know why there are peers randomly lying on the ground. I have to cheer up Dusty Hawk, but no, not now. I think I'm going to sleep. And that's also what I need to do. Let's sleep on my deluxe bed. Now, that was my hands-on Nintendo DSi 10 years later. I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments if you want more, or which console I used to do I should do next time. Please let me know. It can be of Nintendo, Windows, Microsoft or Sony. It is all your choice in the comments, please. And I'll check later. Bye.